Hello student, I Dr. R. D. Patil, Head Department of Zoology, Vasantronic Arts, Science and Commerce College, Shada, Dis Nandurbar. Dear friends, we already discussed TYBSc Zoology paper 6, Zoo 506A, Pest Management. In this course, we already studied the 4 units. Today we discuss about the unit number 5, that is non-insect pest. Unit number 5 is the non-insect pest. Dear friends, we already discussed about the what is mean pest. Pests are those insects which are causing harmful effects on the human beings as well as the domesticated animals. So pests are the insects, but all kinds of the pests are not. All kinds of the insects are not pests because the many more insects are the useful insects. So it is most important role for the in case of the pollination. It is called insect pollination. Out of this point of view, pests are not only insects but many more kinds of the animals which are also in the universe which are causing the harmful effects on the human beings as well as your domesticated animals and your economic crops. So in this point of view, the unit number 5, non-insect pest. In non-insect pest, we study of non-insect pest with reference to habitat, breeding potential, nature of damage, and control techniques. In this point of view, study the 3 non-insect pests. That is the animals which are not in the class insecta, not of the animal group of the insecta. It is a vertebrates animals which are included also acts as a harmful effects on the human economic crop as well as your uh, specific human useful compartments are disturbed or destroyed by this animal category. That is, in this non-insect pest, included by the 3 animals. That is, 5.1 is the rat, 5.2 is the birds, and 5.3 is a snail. So, in non-insect pests, there is a group of animal other than the insects which cause the considerable yields losses to agricultural crops and commonly called as a non-insect pest. It includes mammals, monkeys, wild animals, etc., rodents, birds, mollusks, mites, all kinds of the different animals which are included, which also acts as a pest in the damage. So this is a schematic representation of the non-insect pest. Is many more way. That is also as a this is a rodent, the rat. It is a crab, also as a molluscan, snails. This is a nematodes. So this is also different kinds of the animals which are also acts as a role of the non-insect pest. Out of this, in your syllabus, only 3 are studied. So rodents in case of the as the first non-insect pest is the rat. Rat is also called as a rodent. Introduction of habitat rodents or rats are an ever-present problem. They are unwelcome associates of mankind as they cause serious damage to agricultural crops, grains, commodities, and household articles. In also damaging for the farmers as well, not for the crop, but also as damaging the commodities of the household articles, grains, also as cause serious damage. So their seriousness is further enhanced because high rate of multiplication and transmitting various diseases with bubonic plague, rabies, bite, fever, etc. The man as well as domestic and wild animals, they cause invaluable losses to stored food grains every, but their presence and the full extent of damage they cause often go unnoticed. The loss to stored. So there are 6,410 valid forms of rats in the world. According to Srivastava, 110 species are found in India, which 17 species belong to the family Muridae of order Rodentia. The important ones belong to sub-families with Mureni and Gerbilinae is the most severe damage to specifically as the in your point of view. So the rodents, rat as well as squirrels, but mostly we use your syllabus is the rat. In your one sec point, that is rat is your taxonomic position: kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, order Rodentia, family Muredi. So it is also called rat, ratus. Habitat of the rats and mice are generally herbivorous and versatile in the feeding behavior and choice of food. They are also known as growing animals. They have chisel-like teeth at the front of their mouth. They use them to eat food and gnaw at materials. They have rather poor vision, but the sense of smell, taste, hearing, and touch are highly developed in them of the rat. They can squeeze through opening half their size. They can readily jump 60 centimeter height. They live in burrows, in trash, in firewood, in stores and stored commodities, equipments, in all types of buildings, double walls, weeds, in areas under the floor and porches, in any sheltered place close to their food or in fields. The specifically characteristic features of the rats is to get by the breeding potential, food and nature of damage. So first, in symptom point of view, the rats are the chopped young seedlings, integral cutting of stem, patches of depression seen in the fields at early stage, chewed developing uh, buds, grasping pins, tiller cut near base at 45 angle. Cut tiller may be seen in patches. So the breeding potential and food or nature of damage point of view, the rats as well as bandicoots breeds. Their breeding period starts at the age of 3 to 4 months and continue through the year, and single female produces 5 litters in a year. Each litter usually consists of 9 to 10 young ones. जवळजवळ वर्षामध्ये त्याच्या 5 वेळी जनरेशन त्याचं होत असतं. एका बर्थ जनरेशन वेळेस 9 ते 10 पिलं ते रॅटची फिमेल देत असते. Thus, a pair of rat may give rise to about 800 young ones in a year. जवळजवळ वर्षातून 800 पिलं एक जी कपल्स आहेत त्या ठिकाणी रॅटची पिलं येत असतात. कॉमनली इट इज फाउंड दॅट रॅट फीड्स ऑन ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ द फूड मटेरियल विथ ग्रेन्स. सर्व प्रकारचं फूड मटेरियल म्हणून वापरू शकतो. ग्रेन्स, फ्रूट, व्हेजिटेबल, मीट, fish product, dairy products, etc. But they prefer fresh, and some vegetable have taste pattern very much similar to that of human beings. On the average, single rat consume 10 to 15 grams of flour and 10 ml of water within 24 hours. Mice and rat cause harm of many ways. They eat almost all edibles, destroy much more property and food than they actually consume, and contaminate enormous quantity of the food. Burrow field, burns channels and canals embankment. So damage clothing, books and other valuable items. Burrow and weaken in the foundation of buildings and damage public works such as spheres, etc. Carry harmful parasite which transmit deadly disease in human beings and lose stock. Chew almost everything. They damage practically all orchard trees, forests and field crops. Rats are serious pest of paddy, and their outbreaks have occurred in Philippines, Indonesia, Sri Lanka, Taiwan, Fiji, Vietnam, Guyana, Colombia, Syria, Leon, Spain, USA, Japan, and India, resulting in extreme losses in this country. So this is a severe to damage of this issue. Ratus has been responsible for causing significant losses to coconut due to climbing ability in Fiji, Thiti, Philippines. We also access in South India, celebrate and Helix groups, and many islands in Pacific region which are severe damage. So the rats enter the nourishes and nibble the seeds. After transplantation, the seedlings are cut at the shoot blade says the clump is cut, and ripening stage the ear heads are cut and stored in the burrows. Identification of the pest: lizard, bandicoots, mole rat, field rat, bandicoot bengalensis, grass rat, Melarida meletis, gerbil rat, Tetria corvia is the scientific name, Indian field mouse, mus bodeactus, rat, ratus ratus, rufusness ratus is the most important damaging pest in the farm. So this is a gerbil rats is seen in the India. Also the grass rat. This is the Indian field mouse. So the ratus meltax also severe damaging to the outside as ornamental as well as useful property of the human beings. So say life cycle of this common cell rats in mice as a specifically completed. It is a management strategy for the specifically controlling the this rats, which also mainly the rat control is an important and complicated program in which the number of control devices have been developed as a result. Practical experimentation that is also used as a traps, that is biological control, cultural control, chemical control, also as a fumigants which are used for controlling the rat, as well as attractant and repellents. We also use as a chemosterilants, rodenticides, integrated techniques are also used. Anti-rodent capsules, breakthrough in protection technology also used by the controlling the rat. Physical control includes hunting rat drives, digging in exclusion, narrow band maintenance 45 to 30 centimeter, warping 0.5%, one part with 19 parts, proper cornerize, dry fish in keep field, setting up old purchase 50 to 50 hectares. So these are more steps which are used for the controlling the rats. Next, second pest is also used in your syllabus is the birds. So the many more, that is birds also most important non-insect pests. So this is a parrots as well as house sparrow, different kinds of the crows also as a roles to damaging in the field for the different kinds of the crops to also disturb the grains as well as fruits. That is the nature of damage of these birds or non-insect pests. A number of birds feed upon grains from year heads of field crop, fruits and vegetables. They actually consume very little quantity but often cause more damage than what they actually eat. So crow Corneus splendus velatans distribution throughout India found up to the about 1200-meter height. So also eating as a different useful full materials which are used for the human beings are disturbed by the birds. For example, in at the crop is a harvesting time. At this time, the young seedlings of the grains of the or any kinds of the jawar crops or bajra crops, the grains are collecting to eating the seedlings seeds is early in your nuts form are eaten by the these birds. That is the life cycle of these birds. These eggs light blue greenish with the dark spot, adult grayish black in color. These birds do not breed in their first year. Net are usually situated on trees, telephones, poles, etc., and made of shrubs and trees branches. This bold bird with no fear of human. So this is the eggs of these birds of non-insect pests. Damage: crow cause considerable damage to ripe fruits. Also as a parrot, same for also causing the human useful fruits are damaging orchards and also ripening grains of maize and fruits. The crows are or parrots particularly are attracted to the grains when they are exposed on a crop. They may prove means of the successful growth of the fields crops as well as harvest of fruits. They are often seen flocks in maize and other fields. So this is a management for controlling these different kinds of pests. Acetylene exploders have been reported effective against them in orchards. Thallium sulfate beds are used for their slow action, maybe gives better skill. They can be trapped in large V-shaped traps. Also different kinds of the say V-shaped trap by bird catchings in your cage. That is a parrots Pistula species distribution by the common throughout the India, found at the height below 12 meters. So this is a parrots which are found in India. Eggs lays 3 to 6 white wall eggs. Breeding season from February to May. They are used debris for nesting in holes in walls and trees without building a real nest structures. So this is a male and female of the parrots, who is also lives. So these eggs we hatching to the young ones of this parrot female. So managements, acetylene exploder are reported to effective repellents. They can be caught with net traps and sticky substance, which are also catching the insects. So metallic ribbons, which also shining in the farms to field attaching and lead by controlling the bird population. Bird pest damage do some damage of ripe tomatoes and figs in garden. Management nothing reported, but they can be probably controlled with a starchini poisoned beds or net traps to controlling the birds pest. Third is the snails and slugs, also called as the molluscan. That is the in mollusk is the second most diverse animal phylum and terms number of described species 18,000 species. They are important pollution indicator as their fecal pellets contain high concentration of heavy metals. Slugs and snails are shown to be capable of spreading tobacco mosaic virus (TMV). It is estimated that losses caused by non-insect pest in almost 510 crores worldwide, of which 369 crores rupees loss of caused by rodents alone. So it is a specific as a data to most important loss of this. This is a classification of the molluscans specifically use damage the non-insect pest. So this is the snails are non-insect pests which are herbivorous. The land snails and considerable damage in garden, orchards, greenhouses, and mushroom beds, as they feed upon succulent parts of the seedlings and mature plants. Helix species of terrestrial snail comes out at night to feed on living vegetable matter like leaves, fruits, and cultivated crop. Plants and garden plants at night and feed are tincture. The molluscan are the most important the nature of damage. Snail wraps plant tissue and cut the stems with their file-like radula or horny tongue. The golden apple snail is considered a major problem in direct related life. During dry periods or drought, the golden apple snails remain inactive in rice fields. So identification of the pest, the golden apple snail has a muddy brown shell. Its succulent flesh in creamy white to golden pinkish or orange yellow. So this is a controlling or effects of the non-insect pest, slimy layers formed in their pathways. So this is a slimy layers which are formed by the pathway. That is a neonates or the newly hatched snails have soft snail. The juvenile or young snails are 1.5 to 1.6 centimeter. These are bright pink on strawberry like pink. So this is the eggs of the molluscans. The factor favoring pest development, wetland and dry land habitats, irrigation canals and rivers, presence of young seedlings, continuous flooding of their rice fields of the snail. So the management strategy, mechanical control, increase mortality by mechanical action, use of hand-operated device to smash eggs clusters as cultivation by the way. Next, second is a cultural method and off-season drilling to crush snails can also be employed. Snails can also be exposed to sun. Draining the field also we devised crop rotation with the dry land crop and fallow speed is also recommended as control. Chemical methods, molluscicides such as metaldehyde is recommended for controlling the pest. It is biological control. So the use of common carp, Japanese crucian heron, and westless as biological control agent which against golden apple snail. I firefly nymph is also an effective natural enemy of the snail. Birds prey on both eggs and neonates. Rats and snakes also feed on them of the snails. So also as a snake eating the snails as a biological control. Also as a firefly nymph, Lamberti feeding on snails. So this is also Cyprinus scarpio, also the rice fish integration for golden apple snail control as a specifically as a biological control used by the pest. So dear friends, in this point of view, also non-insect based snails or crocodiles also actively feeds on the snails. मगर वगैरे आपण त्यांना बघितलेले ते आपल्या बँक्स किंवा रिव्हरच्या काळावर असलेले जे मॉल्युस्कन आहेत त्यांना ते खाऊ शकतात. So it is also acts as a biological control. So in this way, dear friends, complete the syllabus of the Zoo 506A pest management course. Dear friends, any difficulty, ask me for any polyclinic. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you, thank you, thank you.